Is your Chevy Bolt key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. First, confirm the remote isn't responding to button presses. No lock unlock, remote start, or panic alarm. If the fob is completely unresponsive, it's likely a dead battery. Now the tricky part, opening the case. Some bolt fobs are ultrasonically welded or glued, making them difficult to open non-destructively. Locate the small release button to remove the physical key, if present. Inspect the seam around the fob. If it's tightly sealed, you'll need a thin plastic pry tool or screwdriver. Gently insert the tool into the seam and carefully pry the two halves apart. Avoid metal tools to prevent damaging the electronics. Some users have found heating the seam with a hairdryer helps loosen stubborn adhesive, but be cautious not to overheat it. If the case is exceptionally difficult to open, consider professional help to avoid damage which could void any warranty. Remember, forcing it open can break internal clips or damage the circuit board. With the fob open, you'll see a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR232, ensuring it's correctly seated. Now, reassemble the key fob, pressing the two halves firmly together until they snap closed. Test the fob's functionality. If it still doesn't work after the battery replacement, the fob may need reprogramming. Try cycling the ignition 5 to 10 times. Insert the key and turn the ignition on for a few seconds, then off. Repeat. If this doesn't work, a dealership or a mechanic with an OBD2 scanner may be required to reprogram the fob. To avoid common issues, use insulated tools to prevent static discharge. Ensure the battery is new and from a reputable brand for longer life. Be gentle when prying open the case to avoid breaking internal components. If you encounter a remote not working issue shortly after replacement, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's making good contact. Some aftermarket batteries may have slightly different dimensions. Also be aware that if the unit had a weak battery for a long time, this can cause issues as well. Finally, consider universal fob shells if your original case is damaged. These are available online for around $10 to $30.